Greetings. Welcome to our official YouTube channel Petaka Technologies. In this video, we will teach you how to find duplicates or duplicate values using DAX functions in Power BI. We have two columns here. In first column, we have different names, and second column, we have email IDs. Let's find the duplicates or repeated email IDs in email column using DAX functions. In Power BI Desktop, we can easily add a new calculated column for counting duplicates in a column. To create new column, click on Table Tools tab and select New Column. We created and renamed new column as Count Email. In this column, we will create DAX functions to count duplicate values in a column. We start the DAX functions with calculate DAX function. Within calculate DAX function, we will use count DAX function and selected the column email from employee details table and close the bracket of count function. Then we will use filter DAX function and selected the table employee details. We will provide conditions for filtering in filter DAX function like email column values should be equal to earlier of email column values and close the bracket of filter function and close the bracket of calculate DAX function. Now new column has been created with the count of duplicate email IDs. If count email column value is greater than 1, then it should be repeated or duplicated email IDs. That's it. We have successfully found the duplicates using DAX function in Power BI column. If this video is useful to you, like and share this video. If you have any questions, or you can share your feedback in below comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, visit our official YouTube channel Petaka Technologies. To get notifications on new upcoming videos, subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon.